So if you go to this GitHub repository that I am sharing you, in this Java interview question one folder is there. Here this zip file is there. You can get all the interview questions with respect to the different module that I covered. And there, yes. Okay, yeah, Naman, I have uploaded the lectures in the YouTube for explaining those projects and all. You can watch it there. If you don't understand, then let me know. I will explain you once again, because explaining now in this class those projects, because I took 2 to 3 class to explain those projects, so it won't be able to complete now. But you just watch those lectures. If you unable to understand, then let me know. I will explain you once again, like how to do those projects. And I have some other lectures based on the same, how to do the project. I will upload it. You can watch it. And if still anything is not clear, you can ask me. Okay. So in this lectures, my main motive is to just explain you the questions. Yeah, everyone is having the same projects, right? Different one projects. I have explained 2 to 3 projects. Now it's on you how you can make changes to that. Project will be like personal website and e-commerce website. I have explained. You have to make changes according to your requirement. Like suppose if somebody is making, I have explained online watch as a e-commerce website. You can say make it for something online book or some other. You just have to change the image and content there. I have explained in the lectures how to make changes to the content of the website. I have explained all the trick also, how to make changes in the website, and I've explained everything. You just watch those lectures in the YouTube. If anything is not clear, I will explain. So everyone, they have a, I've explained 3 projects. Based on that, you have to make changes to those. The project name is I'm sending on the chat. First one was e-commerce, personal website, and I've explained you random number generation OTP based. That is simple program, random number OTP based generation program. How you can generate OTP for your mobiles and all. So random number OTP generate program is there. This one is very simple. If you want, you can take a third one. But first two is a complex one where you actually learn. So this e-commerce I've explained in term of online watch. You can make change to the stationery, groceries, anything. And personal website, you can make changes based on your personal. So it will be different to everyone, right? For example, Naman, if you are making changes to personal website, it will be with you. Let me run those website and show you. I've already explained it, and but if you have not joined, you should have informed me so that I could have helped you before. But right now, it's in the one class, explaining all the project won't be possible. But I can give you one exposure, like how this personal website looks. So in my lectures, I've explained this personal website, how you can develop a personal website, and I've explained e-commerce website also. Let it be get upload, then I will start explaining. So you can see this website. Okay, so I have explained the code also. The code you are going to find it in the folder itself. I will going to upload today. So if you open this with a notepad, yeah, we have used front end tool. That is your JavaScript, HTML, and we have used CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery. I've used all those front end and back end part. So you can see this is the code. If you open the code with a notepad, you can see this. It is combination of HTML, JavaScript, CSS, jQuery, and these are the content. I have explained in my lecture how you can make changes to the content. So you can see here, earlier it was when I was explaining, it was their cloud computing. So I made changes to the Java intern group, then university name I changed. I've shown how to change the images also. This image, how you can change. This is personal website where you can add your content based on your personal like hobbies, education, whichever your college name. Like I have given my college name, you can change your college name. So I given my college name, you can change it to your college name, your graduation passing year, the languages you know, programming language, your skill that you have, you work in which company, you can give the detail, your biodata. So it is like a personal website. I've explained everything. If you want, you can just check that lecture so you will easily understand how to change the image. Also, I've explained with changing every images. So you should have joined the class, but if you have not joined, then just watch the lecture. You can easily understand how to do editing, how to add a calculator in the website. And this is a complete front end plus back end code. Similarly, I explained e-commerce website also and random number generation. So these are the project that I explained. Now, everyone, even if you select same project, the content will be different. What content will be different? Your name. In place of here, you can give your name. Earlier, my name was there. How you can change your name here? You can change your name here from the code. You can change the name. You can change your content, and it will be different to everyone. I've explained in the code how you can make changes. So based on your requirement, you can make it. So it will be different for everyone. Similarly, e-commerce also one website I've shown. There also you can make changes and you can try for groceries, stationery, bike, automobile, anything you can try it. You just have to change the content and image. So this is about project. Now about interview question. So in interview question, let me explain you. So interview question, all those questions are added here. This is also, you can just open any file like JDBC questions. So you will get complete like what is DOA factory design pattern, what is this JDBC, everything you will get it here. You can see the code, you can get the queries also, everything you can get it in this file. If it looking complex to you, then what you know about it, you can search for that Java 8 question. Click on that. What are the important feature of Java 8 release? You can go through this. Okay. I have added all the questions here. What are the in Java? Can you declare interface method static? What is that question? So you can get it. What is Lambda? I've not covered Lambda because it comes under advanced Java, not the core Java. Uh, Core Java is, if you want, you can add it, but I've not explained because it will be quite complex to you. So you can ignore this, but you can focus on this variable, method, interface, inheritance, that you can go through this default interface, proper syntax is added. You can go through this and you can easily understand. Similarly, if you want to see Java string method, click on that. What are the predefined method? If you remember, I explain you is empty function, is blank function. So different functions are there in a string, what operation they perform. So these all explanations are added here. This will be helpful in the interview. And program are also there. All the programs are here. You can open these programs and like addition and concatenation program. So you can see addition, when you're going to use plus operator with number, it will going to give you addition. But when you use plus operator with string data, it will give you concatenation. What do you mean by concatenation? Concatenation means adding one string just at the end of another string. For example, if I do like this, your name is like Naman, right? So Naman plus whatever. Suppose let me take here. I'm taking here just okay. Let me take your actual. Okay. Suppose this is your name. If I use this plus operator with this string data, okay, Naman. So do you know like this plus operator will work? This plus operator, what it will do? It will perform an operation of concatenation here. What do you mean by concatenation? When you do like this, at the end you will get this one. It will going to add a string just at the end of n. So this is the way of doing concatenation. Plus operator will going to work in this way. Okay, I hope it is clear to you what is concatenation. But if you use with number 1 plus 2, it will going to give you 3. So this is the difference. What data you are using with the plus operator, based on that this plus operator perform operations. So you can get this example here. I've added almost whatever I covered. I've added all those code, and with that additional code also I've added so that you can easily understand from here. These are the programs, sorting program, how to sort the data, converting. So this you can follow it. If you have anything like LCM and greatest common divisor, how to find, you can see this. Whatever I explain, I've added the explanation here. I know it might be looking complex to you, but it is looking complex in a notepad. When you are going to run this file in your Eclipse, you will easily understand how this file will work. Am I clear to you? Anyone having any question? Anyone having any doubt? This is very simple. Okay, you just have to open the file. Okay, let me take very simple program here. So here I'm checking. Suppose this is my string. If I wanted to check, is there any number in my string? How you can do that? There is a function is digit string dot caret I. Is digit is a function that will going to check in your character data. Is there any digit is there? And what you're going to use? This is a predefined function. You don't have to create anything. This I have already explained in my string lecture. String dot caret I. What is the character present at a index I on this str variable? So you are just checking, is this a digit? If it is a digit, you will going to print that. So here you can see these are the str variable, and here what is this digit here? 1500, right? So it will going to print that. Do you want to try? Anyone can share your screen and copy this code and see whether it is working fine or what. Anyone want to try the sharing a screen? Anyone? Naman or anyone? Ajay, Akhilesh, Image. Anyone who want to try? Yeah, Naman. Okay. I'm just stop sharing. Please share your screen. I'm sending you the code on your chat. And don't worry about this project. Projects are very simple. You just see the video. If you're unable to do that, I will explain you. We connect someday and we can explain. So I'm sending the code on the chat. Just share your screen, copy this code on an Eclipse and run that. You can directly share from here itself instead of showing this with the camera. You can okay, you have joined with the mobile. It's fluctuating. Better you can join with the laptop and then share a screen. Means with a Zoom. You can just run your this code on your system. This will going to helpful in both the gate exam as well and in your interview also. Most of the time in interview they ask this concatenation and addition. Many people they get confused here. So now I've explained you, don't get confused. If plus operator we use with string data, it will going to give you concatenation. And if you use with number, it will going to give you addition. So don't be get confused here. Here, as you can see, these are like these are the string data, and here this concatenation will be with the string data. Means so plus operator will be perform concatenation. Similarly, you can see if I show you some other programs, you can see any of the program like how to convert array to the collection. If you remember, I explained you collection also, right? Hope you remember this like collection. I have explained you that collection is a new framework that are added in a Java, and why it is added because in array it was difficult to do deletion of an element, insertion of an element, but in collection it can be very easy. You can easily add element to the collection just by adding add data and just like list dot add. You can see here list. I'm creating one list. List is like a collection of an element, and here you are adding with dot add. So when you call this add function, it will going to add apple to that. And then based on this for loop, you can traverse those. You can print those elements. So it is very easy. You can do this program as well. Then bubble sort and lot of programs are there. I explain you multiple programs. You can practice this. Some of the JavaScript question also I've explained you. Like if suppose if in the interview they ask you front end question, then you should be able to answer. This front end question actually comes under advanced part. I've not covered that in the syllabus, but I'm sharing the interview question because interview can be based on anything, right? In or in a college also while giving presentation, if anyone asks you like what is JSP and also you can just go through it. Some of the things will be helpful here. All the things might be not, but something will be helpful here. So you can go through it, and you can go through the some of the link also. I will going to help tell you. This is one link, Java T point. Here you will get around 300 questions based on the Java. Like what is the difference? Yeah, Nikita. Code is already shared in the chat. If you can see in the chat, code is there. Can you see on the chat your uh, the code? Let me share again. So I'm resending the code on the chat. You can share your screen and you can do it. So I was talking about like this website. I'm sharing you the link. If you have if you just go through this website, it is more than enough. For fresher, you can prepare from this website. This website is having a set of questions that will be helpful for your interview. Even some of the things will be helpful in the gate exam also, based on the Java or C++, that will be helpful. So those who are preparing for the gate, they also might, it will helpful in that. Okay, okay, sorry, Naman. Yeah, you can please share your screen. I'm stop sharing. Yeah, now you can share it, and you can copy the code and you can try it. No, no, you click on this view option. Do you see at the top your zoom, zoom option, view option, and all? Okay, you do one thing. You stop sharing first. Copy the code from the chat. First, you stop sharing. Then copy the code from the chat and paste it here. Uh, do you understand what I said? Am I audible? Yeah. Now you run this. So here it's showing that content number. Okay, why it is showing the content number? Because the flag variable has got the idea that it is having a number. Now you remove the 1500 from that. Can you remove 1500 from the string? Yeah, it is in the end of that str variable. Yeah, remove 1500 from that and you rerun that. So now you see, do you get anything on your screen? No, right? Why you are not getting? Because you don't have a string. So this flag variable will not be true. When this flag variable will be true, then only you will get. And how this flag variable will become true? When you have a digit. You can do one thing, you add any number in between anywhere, not only the end, anywhere you can add any number. Now you rerun that. See here, right? So this flag variable, what it is doing, it is parsing your whole string variable, str variable, and this is digit function will going to check for a digit at every index of your string. If you remember, I have explained you Java string lecture. It is, I have already uploaded in a YouTube also, you can watch it there. There I have explained you caret function. It is showing you which character is present at index I. It is in the form of array, which character is present at index I. So it will going to check from LOREM, even it is including space also. So suppose in case if it find anywhere this digit, it will going to print that. So I hope it is clear to you. Like this, you run all the programs that I share with you.